Hey, profit takers, welcome back. So today's Wednesday, the 15th. Um, we have CPI has already um, printed. As you can see here, this is the Dow. It is already taken off. Now, honestly, I would have loved to have been in this trade, but I'm just a stickler of not getting in front of the news, no matter what, right? Because you just don't know what's going to happen. Even though I was expecting this thing to go long, we had all the indications of the peak low where the breakout failed. And then yesterday we had a signal day. Not only did it close above the open, we also closed in breakout. And so today it had already broken out, and I got to the charts this morning. So it was like, okay, this thing is going. Let's see. Yeah, Friday's high was already broken through, and it was just one of those things. So now, looking to see if I get a first bounce. So yesterday we were looking at ES, and it was the same deal. We were looking to see if we're going to get a first bounce yesterday with ES, and I had mentioned it could have gone either way, and it did. Tuesday which is day 2 in the weekly cycle, can often give us a choppy day, right? It can often do that, and really wasn't sure if it was going to be a clean move or not. But nonetheless, the difference between, now I forgot to get my pen, guys. Sometimes you can get a little tricked up, right? You're like looking for, oh, the market closed above the open or below the open. So we know that a market closing above the open, and we have a peak low, is a good indication of we have a green day signal, because this is technically the breakout, right? We had a breakout, and then we had our inside day here, technically, and we triggered the highs. So we had a higher high, and look, guys, it closed right below the open. Right, open around here, and it closed below. And that can make you think, oh, maybe it's the first red day, we're going short. Well, I mean, I don't know if it's going to go short or not, but everything else is telling me it's not, because we do have a peak low here, right? We did trigger a higher high, even though we were inside, right? We were inside of the range. We were still making higher highs, okay? Now, I mean, it could have, it could have gone down first and then gone up. Who knows? Sometimes it does that too. But there's just too many things, too many signals here give me an indication that this thing, even though it closed slightly below the open, that we were still going long. Now, if whenever you're confused at all, I mean, just don't take the trade, right? Because look at this one here with NQ. Now, sometimes the indicator, I'm going to explain the indicator because it goes in real time. So in real time, we had a peak high. We had the higher high here, where it came all the way into the breakout level, and and then it triggered 180R. So that is going to automatically think that, okay, the way price is moving, it's going to adjust accordingly, right? So now, okay, we have the breakout level here, right? And this level here, we have all this indicating that this could possibly also fail, because now we're heading towards Friday's high. Is Friday's high, right? Is that going to be where we get some resistance? I don't know. Is that going to be our third day trade? I mean, technically, Friday closed in breakout. It could most likely be an opportunity for this thing to short again, right? Not sure, but I'm going to wait till the 9 o'clock hour, which is 10 o'clock Eastern. That's the the third hour, and that's that's going to let me know if this breakout is going to be legit, if we're going to continue um, to drop, if we're going to get to this level and drop, or if we're going to get to this level and break through, right? Um, and we'll see if this holds, right? That's really what we're looking for here. This is the Russell. You know, again, very slightly different pattern from ES and Q. You know, the Russell and YM are on the same page here, closed and breakout. Long, right? Had this one even, of course, it triggered the breakout level. Let's go back to YM. Yeah, it did trigger. I do like the way the Russell triggered it more because it broke out, did the dump, and then the pump. So, golly, are they gonna leave anything for me? I guess messed up. It's messed up, y'all. Yeah, I hate it when they make these beautiful patterns when it's news because I'm not getting in front of the news, right? It's just not happening. So I'm just gonna wait to see if I'm sure I will get an opportunity. I'm waiting to see if we get a first bounce opportunity because I don't know if this thing is going to get to. Let me go to M30 so we can see it. Where's the next level here? Well, I mean, 380R is coming. We have the previous week's high up here, right? So yeah, it has broken through Friday. It's breaking Friday's high right now, even though Friday wasn't the high of the previous week, but it is a level that, you know, I always look at. So let's see if this thing is going to hold, guys, come the third hour. All right. Okay. So with that, guys, that'll be all for now, and we will see you in the next one.